What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got another NASCAR diecast unboxing to get into. We're going to take these things out one at a time and we're going to see what we can get into. We got a bunch. A packing penis in the way. Let me move them, get the box out of the way. There we go. Just take them one at a time. First up, William Byron, Valvoline number 24 for the 2026 season for Hendrick Motorsports. This car, it's a good scheme anyway, but it looks real good with the new 2026 boxes that Lionel's going with the blue for the Cup Series. So it looks pretty good in box. Will look extra good outside the box. So a good start here. Bunch of Hendrick Motorsports in here, I believe. The first up is the Byron. Next, another Hendrick Motorsports, number 9, UniFirst for Chase Elliott, 2026 version, which is basically the exact same as 2025. But, like I said in an earlier video with Kyle Larson's scheme, since it's technically a new body, I'm going to go ahead and try to get them, because there is differences there, along with minor scheme differences, I guess, because you got the make banner in the back now and the name up front with the manufacturer in the back, just to name one quick difference. Anything else beyond that, not sure. But there you go, 2 cars out, teammates so far. Next up, I'm going to stick with the 2026, but this is John Nemechek, number 42 for Legacy Motor Club. Don't know how to pronounce the sponsor, so I could try. We'll go with Rexel. But cool to get a Nemechek here. That's not the Dollar Tree or anything like that, because Jones and Nemechek both rock the Dollar Tree car. So pretty cool to get. Number 42 Toyota for Legacy Motor Club. And that is the third one out of the box. Halfway there. We got 6 to take a look at today. Next, we're going to have Connor Zilich, number 88 WeatherTech win. Let me know if you've heard that before. We're going to hear that about 85 times. 2025 winner. This is Portland. WeatherTech Portland win, which, unfortunately, Portland is not on the schedule anymore, because I loved that as a standalone race. At the time, the Xfinity series going there, I loved Portland. So hopefully it makes its way back onto the schedule at some point. But like I said, we've seen this exact car like 95 times lately as a raced version. This one just so happens to be Portland. And it's good looking. I like the scheme. I like Connor Zilich. I hope he gets the 48 next year, truth be told. Even though I like Corey Day too. And I like Alex Bowman. But with the rumors swirling recently, I'll just let you guys know I kind of hope it's Connor Zilich. Although, again, I like Corey Day. I don't want him to get shafted for too long. So, there we go. Next up, we've got a 2026 O'Reilly Auto Parts Series car. This is the 88 for Raja Caruth for Junior Motorsports and the HendrickCars.com Chevrolet. So, of course, they go with the green and black box for the O'Reilly series this season, which does not flatter the red, white, and blue car here. But pretty cool to get a Raja diecast. Of course, this 88 getting shared by everybody at Hendrick and everybody at JRM that's not full-time. But cool to get the Rajah. We're looking forward to getting, hopefully, the Chase Elliott patriotic scheme that he's going to be running in July at Chicagoland, and a few other guys that ran over the Memorial Day weekend too, that patriotic 88. So we got one more to take a look at. This is Chase Briscoe, number 19, Bass Pro Shops, 2025 Darlington win. So this scheme, gorgeous. Added bonus, it was a playoff race. Added bonus, it won and gets the confetti and detail to it there at Darlington. So this is a really cool one to end off the video on. Chase Briscoe 2025. Still looking to turn his luck around. I mean, he just had a really good finish over the weekend, but still buried in points. Truth be told, not where he needs to be. But that wraps it up. Let's get him back in there. We got the 2025 winner there. Another one there with Zilich. We got the Hendrick teammates, as we've done here lately. A bunch of Hendrick cars coming out lately. Then we got an O'Reilly car. And we've got Nemechek, which is cool to get. So pretty quick one here, just 6 brand new 1/64 scale diecast. But, as always, if you would, like the video, leave a comment on which car from this video you like the best, subscribe for more, and I'll check you out in the next one. Thank you guys.